Laser soldering is a particularly safe and reliable soldering technique pioneered by Japan UNIX.
It is basically a precise solution that is very fast, which is also very cost efficient.
In traditional soldering, the iron tip is heated to around 350 degrees Celsius and placed onto the soldering area, heating it up. Then solder is being applied to seal the metal junctions. With modern laser soldering, a thin laser heats the area and melts the solder without making contact. This has a range of benefits.
One of the advantages of laser soldering is that the laser technologies have the ability to reach areas which the typical tip soldering is unable to achieve.
There's little to no maintenance, and the client can save on repair and spare parts.
Some customers were able to cut down their maintenance costs to up to 1/16. In addition, other customers were also able to report that they were able to cut down their consumption parts expenditure to up to 1/50th.
Japan UNIX has been at the cutting edge of laser soldering for almost 2 decades. After inventing the world's first laser soldering system in 2002. Since, Japan UNIX has invented a range of laser beam shapes, matching the shape it's been applied to. Some have been patented. Twin spot lasering is making the process double as effective. Laser soldering, pioneered by Japan UNIX, increases efficiency in the automotive, aerospace and electronics industry, where a fast, super precise and ultra-reliable solution is paramount.